Hello, sweet boys and girls. How are you? Are you fine? How is holiday was? How is at home? I hope everything was good and well. So today, my names is what I'm going to tell you. My name is Celine. So Celine today is going to teach you how you have to respect your parents. Yes? But before I start teaching you how you respect your parents, I just want to make sure you are okay and you listen well and you go to sleep well and you go to take a shower or bath and you eat what your parents are giving you. Yeah? So if you don't do all of those, you are making your parents so upset. So when you make your parents so upset, you are making them to not give you all the promises they promise you, all the gift. You are making them to not surprising you. Do you want that happen to you? So let me give you one secret. When I was a little girl, my mommy used to surprise me every day. But when she found out I made a mistake, she gave that gift to someone else, and that was not good. I felt so bad and I felt so sad, and I said to myself, I will not do that, mommy. Please forgive me. And I tried to not make mommy upset. Do you know what I used to do? I used to sit on ground, and on ground, is very dirty and is not very clean. And mommy was make me shower and give me the clean clothes, and me I put them on the ground. Mommy was so upset. So then sometimes she want to take a nap and I want to go to play. Do you think that two are opposite? I have to go to play when my mommy told me to go to sleep. And when my mommy went outside, and sometimes I pass around going to play, and my mommy became so sad, and all the gift she kept for me, and she gave to someone else. So then I say, no, it's not a good idea to keep my mommy so sad. I'm going to respect your mommy when you told me to go to sleep or to go to take a nap or to go to take a shower or to take something out. Sometimes the children doesn't like the parents are giving the things to do. They just want to sit watching TV, going on a game, or going to play outside, or doing nothing. And that is not right. The right things is when you listen to your parents, like you go to sleep around 8 evening, and when you wake up in the morning around 7, when it's the whole day, just remember first pass in your washroom, clean yourself, move your pajama. If you believe in God, pray and move your pajama and make your bed and brush your teeth well, and and move all garbage you left on a counter in a washroom in a garbage. Then you go, you take breakfast. If your parents are there, do not go at work or are still sleeping, because the parents used to be tired when they work so hard. If they are home, just say, give them good morning and tell them how you slept. Yeah, and ask them if they slept well too. Then you take the dairy stuff. You ask mommy, oh mommy, can I bloom or can I clean up? And your mommy will tell you, yes, my baby, just do it. And at that time, your parents will be so happy for you. And if you use the bowl to eat cereal, just remember to move them on a counter, put them in a sink where they will clean up. Yeah, and if you're able to clean up, that will be very amazing, and your parents will be so happy. Yeah, so then ask the parents anything to do. If you surprise them to ask what to do, they will be very happy. Do you understand that? It's very amazing things you will do to your parents. So like children are over 80, 9, 10, 11, 12, you are really mature. You need to do the home routine. You don't need to always your parents talk, hey, do this, hey, do that, please clean yourself. When you grow up, your skin and your body need much time to go to take shower. You need to take a shower every day. You need to take shower and you clean your front clothes, like underwear, like the one are wearing the bra, and they clean them. Yeah, and you will be very clean babies and very clean boys and girls. Okay, so if you do that, everything will be amazing, and your parents will give you things without you ask them. And that is the promise the parents has that promise to do to their children. Okay, so don't make your parents sad. Yeah, and don't make your parents so upset much, and help your parents, because when they go at work, they work so hard and they need to rest a bit. They do much more for you. Everything the parents are doing are for you, and you have to surprise them and show them good things. Yes, so that is supposed to be you, not the parents will asking you over and over again. Like how you respect a teacher at school, because if you don't do that, they will give you like a timeout or kind of punishment, I don't know. And you don't want your parents to give you punishment or timeout, like take out your computer and they give you grounded, like you will not go to play if you love soccer or basketball. So avoid that happen to you. Yes, my little one, and I love you so much, and always share this video, this audio with others, okay, and make other children like you to listen and to understand the parents. Okay, see you then in another audio. Bye bye.